The following is a tutorial on FLIR's ResearchIR Max software and how to do image subtraction. Here I've collected some data on electronics board, and I want to do some image subtraction because looking at the board before I've turned it on, it appears that there's heat in areas that there shouldn't be heat. The entire board should be about the same temperature, just resting at ambient. However, due to emissivity and reflections, there's apparent temperature differences across the board. One way to help remove those apparent temperature differences and see just the delta temperature rise is with image subtraction. In ResearchIR, I do this by going to Tools, File Operation, and then I can choose which type of operation I want to do. While I have addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, I'm going to choose subtraction today. And I can also reference a file that I've already created, either a movie or a single image. And if I'm looking at a movie, I can choose which frame within the movie I want to use as my subtraction reference. Today, I'm actually just going to grab a frame from the existing data. And on frame 3 here, it's before I've turned on the board. So I'll use that as my reference or non-energized frame to subtract from all subsequent frames. I'll click Grab Reference Frame and Apply, and then click OK. And as you'd expect, when I subtract a frame from itself, I get all zeros or a completely black screen. But as I hit play, we start seeing the true temperature deltas rather than those apparent false temperature differences that we saw before. Once I already have a reference applied, I can quickly turn on and off the file operation, in this case, image subtraction, just by clicking this button. So without image subtraction, I can still see some heat differences, but I'm seeing some apparent differences in areas there shouldn't be. By turning on the image subtraction, I notice those go away and I just see the temperature deltas. The other really nice thing about image subtraction is it helps your eyeball visually pick out small, more subtle temperature differences that you may not notice when you're not applying image subtraction. It's a really great tool for being able to pull out small temperature differences and help dealing with devices that have varying emissivities or apparent reflected temperature differences. For more information on ResearchIR, please refer to the ResearchIR video tutorials. Thank you.